Good day, everyone. So welcome to the workshop video. You can find this workshop in the workshop section in times. Right, without further ado, let's go to the workshops. So these workshops is titled Final Workshop for Statistics 2 2019. Right, so this is my first page. I've written this in November 14th of this year. So these are my goals and specifications and also the table of content. So this table of content, you can click on it and then it will go straight to the question. Alright, so you can see it is clickable. Alright, so this video will be separated per question. So this is for question number 1. Now, question number 1 is very important in the exam because it is plotted or mapped on the LO1 and LO2. Therefore, they are coming in the exam. Question 1 or question 2. So usually, at the question 1 or question 2, it will be based on this. So I'm going to use a blue pen here and maybe this yellow highlighter. So the first question, identify 5 disadvantages of fractional factorial experimental design and briefly explain them. So usually this is 10 marks because we have 5 disadvantages of fractional factorial and explain these 5. So where do you get this data from? So these answers coming are coming from Taguchi questions, Taguchi method notes. Right? So inside there are 5 disadvantages of fractional factor method, whereby I have laid them here. So you can see here we have 5 of them. The first one is resolution of the data minimized, missed important interaction, Frankenstein effect, restrictive design, and throttling is difficult. 5 marks. For each of these 5 marks, there are 5 descriptions, whereby it will give you 5 marks for descriptions. Yeah, you might not be able to memorize them all, but please do memorize or understand the essence of it, right? So please do, because these are coming in the final exam. All right, for question 2, right, either question 1 or question 2. So I'm going to use another highlighter. Maybe I'm going to use a blue highlighter. So these calibration questions will come in either question 1 or question 2. It is not in our notes, but please do memorize them. The first one is explain what calibration means in engineering application, and C, identify 7 situations when we should calibrate our measuring instruments. So I've also laid this down in the next page, number 5. So there are answer Q1B. There are 3 of them because there are 3 marks. What is calibration? It is comparison between measurement. So what's number B? Right. So what is calibration? It is a magnitude correctness made from one device to another, so on and so forth. So this one you must memorize as well, right? So there are actually 9. You can see here 9 examples why we should calibrate our measuring instrument. Sometimes I ask 9, sometimes I ask 7, sometimes just 5. So please do memorize them all because these are coming in the final exam. So these are my 20 marks freely given to you. Please do memorize them if you can. Question 1 and question 2 will come from these 2 sort of questions, right? The yellow highlighted ones, disadvantages of fractional factorial method, and question 1 or question 2 based on calibration.